I have no problem with delivery.
No. This big problem. No, but I don't like only people to speak. How much, brother? How much? Why?
I didn't say that. You said that to me.
Delivery. Come. Yeah, your problem?
I'm saying you're a problem.
Why? Come, the working delivery. It's okay. Don't speak. How much, brother? How much?
I didn't say that.
No good.
You asked how much.
I was making a video of all the different people.
Don't speak. What's the job? How much to want? It's no good.
I didn't say that. You did.
Only people. I know.
Right. What are you doing? Are you working?
No.
So
No, but I don't like only people to speak. How much, brother? How much? Why?
I didn't say that. You said that to me.
Delivery. Come, the working delivery. It's okay. Don't speak.
I have no problem with delivery.
No. This big problem. You understand, brother?
It's freedom of speech. You can
No, brother. You understand? No, brother. Listen to me, brother.
I'm listening, brother.
Why?
Public place. Anyone can do it. Look, I can do it to him. I can get my phone out. No.
We're allowed to film. We're allowed to film.
Please, I look like police. Far from police, bro. Far from police, bro. You police.
Where are you from?
No.
You're army, bro. Chill out then.
Where are you from? How much today? It's no good, brother.
I didn't say that.
Wallahi, no good. You understand? Why?
The world's good.
I didn't say that, did I? You did. No, sorry, not you. This guy here. That's me.
YouTube.
It's about what's just.
Yeah, money.
You next to blow up.
So what?
You next to blow up video reels, yeah?
I can't understand what you're saying. Sorry, but
Brother, listen. I'm pay tax every month.
Cool.
Yeah, but it's no good.
But why do you?
Brother, how long?
Why?
Explain.
Hold on, I didn't say how long. I didn't say that.
No, only people.
I was filming everybody.
The name I didn't know the name. واسمي ذاك اللي يجي يصور هنا.
Yeah, it wasn't me though, not
أنا
me.
ما بدي شيء العادي. لا في مثل
Yeah, he wants to say hello.
Sorry, mate.
I watch your stuff.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Who cares?
Don't worry, but don't speak. How much?
I didn't say how much. What are you talking about?
Say how much.
He asked me a question.
Say بس مش علشان الاكسبلور. خي تقهرون اقسم بالله.
I don't mean to be disrespectful. I can't understand what you say when you say that. We don't want no hard feelings. We're going to carry on walking and film. Yeah. But there was a lot of people here relaxing, with the delivery bike. So I was talking, saying, maybe the delivery is quiet tonight because lots of people here, right?
Running a restaurant? Your food deserves the spotlight. Currywalla Media. Let's make your food famous.